This is the snow in year 2017. Snow started last night, and up to midnight it was snowing. Still there is some snow on the grass, but if we look towards the floor where the sun is shining, it has started melting. The roof of the summer house in my next door, it is covered with snow.